Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to complete the payment for the plugin Time and State. First, go to the Board tab, then click on the plugin Time and State. You'll be redirected to the checkout page, where you'll see the pricing based on the number of users in the organization. Click the Go to Checkout button. We offer two types of plans, monthly and annual. Choose the one that suits you best. Click Next. On the next step, choose your preferred payment method. Available options: credit or debit card, PayPal, wire transfer, purchase order. If you're making a business purchase, tick the Business Purchase checkbox. Then fill in all the required fields: first name, last name, email, full address, city, zip code, country, phone number. If you have a discount coupon, tick the checkbox, enter your coupon code, and click Apply. If you don't have a coupon, just skip this step. Once everything is filled out, click the Buy Now button. That's it. Your purchase is complete. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact our support team.